Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a totally unique issue which was before the Hyderabad ITAT-B bench, and the issue before the honorable bench was that if the assessee filed some revised return and that revised return is filed before the completion of the assessment, but this revised return is after the due date of filing the revised return, so whether it is obligatory on the part of the assessing officer to consider the revised return which is not on time but is available with the assessing officer before completion of the assessment. This pertinent issue has been taken up by the Honorable ITAT-B bench of Hyderabad in the case of Income Tax Officer versus Lanco Hills Technology Park Private Limited, and this case is reported in 122 ITR Tribunal, short notes 14, and the date of the judgment is 23rd January 2025. In the present case, the facts are very interesting. The assessee is a real estate and property developer. He sells his various type of properties at the rate of 4,250 per square feet. When the assessee filed the return for the assessment year 2009-10, he filed his revised returns 3 times, and the last revised return was not within the time which was the last time to file the revised return. The reason given by the assessee to file the revised return was that there is a sufficient reduction in the sale price which has been booked into the audited books of accounts, and because of the slowdown and market recession, the assessee had to reduce his prices to retain his old customers and to attract the new customers. So it was the need of the business. But when the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer considered only the second return of the assessee, but ignored the 4th return which was filed as revised return after the due date of filing the revised return, but during the assessment proceedings, but before the assessment proceedings. The logic given by learned assessing officer was that since the books of accounts of the assessee are being audited, so they cannot be deviated from the audited books of accounts, and the last revised return cannot be considered. It was the viewpoint of the learned assessing officer that the reduction of sales could not be claimed as omission or wrong statement within the meaning of section 139 subsection 5, meaning thereby that the assessee does not come into the definition of filing the revised return by incorporating this reduction in the sale price of the flats. The assessing officer said that since this revised return has not been filed on time, so it cannot be considered for completing the assessment. When this matter came before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal said that since the last revised return was very much available with the assessing officer at the time of the assessment proceedings, and it is an established law that fair and judicial consideration of all the relevant information and evidences submitted during the assessment should be considered while completing the assessment. So the assessing officer should have considered the last revised return which was not filed on due time. When this matter came before the Honorable Tribunal, the Tribunal concurred with the view of the CIT appeal and said that it doesn't matter that whether the last revised return is out of time, but if it is filed before the completion of the assessment proceeding and very much available with the learned assessing officer while completing the assessment, then it was the duty of the assessing officer to consider the last revised return in which the latest data was available for completing the assessment. Friends, this case is very important. If the assessee missed some expenses to be considered or some income has been overbooked, then he can take the benefit of this case at the time of his assessment proceedings. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Lanco Hills Technology Park Private Limited, and this case is reported in 122 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 14, and the date of the judgment is 23rd January 2025. Thank you, friends.